We're going to teach you how easy it is to do tie-dye t-shirts using this tie-dye block party kit. And at the very end of this one, we're going to show you how to get merchandise for free from watching our videos. Let's get started now. Have you ever wanted to tie-dye t-shirts? Well, in this video, we're going to teach you how to tie-dye t-shirts and keep it really cheap. This is a great hobby to do with the family or a loved one. So if you're new to my channel and you want to build on your relationship by doing things you love with people that you love, then you're in the right spot. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Let's head over to the table and get this tie-dyed block party started. So in order to get this tie-dye block party started, we're going to need some t-shirts. And we've got t-shirts here. That's right, Little Buffalo. We've got 5 wonderful t-shirts. We're going to show you 4 different types of designs. And we'll get into that right now. So let's tear into this tie-dye block party mega value kit with a little help from my Buffaloette. Inside we have some plastic, gloves, rubber bands, all the dye we need, some plastic to put the shirts in once it's drying, and instructions on how to do it. Alright, let's rock this out. So first we went ahead and washed and dried the shirts prior to starting this. This design is called the bullseye. And in order to get started, we're going to grab the rubber bands, place them in an accessible area. We're going to pinch the middle of the shirt and pull it towards us through our other hand and place rubber bands 1 to 2 inches apart. And one of my Buffalo fans recommended that we use 2 rubber bands so that the colors don't bleed together. And that's what that should look like when it's all completed. So this one is going to be called the stripe effect. And Buffaloette is going to fold this, so pay attention, because she's going to do it in a Chica craft kind of way. And then again we use these rubber bands for 2 colors. And that's what it's going to look like with 2 colors horizontally. Now we're going to go ahead and do the spiral effect. And you're going to go ahead and pinch the middle and twist. Reminds me of my high school days. And again, we'll be using the rubber bands with the help of Little Buffalo. And that's what it should look like when it's all finished. So for setup, in the instructions it says to use a garbage bag, but we've got a little bit of our plastic covering from when we were painting left over. So this will work just perfect. You can use a garbage bag if you choose to. So after doing some research, you can either tie-dye these with the wet version or the dry version. We decided to use the wet version and use this bucket, filled it halfway up with water. And the reason we're using the wet version is because according to the reviews, it says that the dye lasts longer, it stays brighter, and it doesn't bleed as much. So for the crumple effect, we have to put the t-shirt in the water prior to crumpling it. That's why we had to set up, because we're not going to use rubber bands here. And it should look like that when it's all finished. The instructions in the container said just to fill the water up to the neck of the bottle. So we're going to use red for the crumple effect. And we also put the gloves on so we won't get our hands dyed. We're now going to go ahead and do the swirl and dye that one. We're now going to go ahead and dye the striped one. And this is the last bullseye shirt. And now we just let them sit in the sun and dry for 6 to 8 hours. So here are the shirts unwrapped. A couple tips. First, you have to rinse them in cold water and get all the dye off them once the water's clear. Once we've rinsed them, then we went ahead and washed them and dried them separately. You know what we need? We need a little buffalo magic on this. I'll be right back. And after my buffalo magic, they look much better right now. So if you haven't already done so, go ahead and smash that like button now. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And for our special announcement, for you to win free merchandise from our shows, go ahead and fill up our comment section with videos you'd like to have us do. What the heck happened to that one? It was reversed. That's right, so when you fill in the comment section below with which videos you want us to do, and the merchandise we make in that video, you'll get it for free. So B. Noel, this shirt's coming to you for free. Congratulations. Well, this was an absolutely fun hobby to do with the family or someone you love. My name's Jobuffalo, and we are always entertaining. Until next time.